Hi guys, it's me Sweetie. Today we're gonna be opening this a bag. And some. Let's get this thing started. Okay, so guys, we're starting by this. Oh, no, it's taped like. What up, dear dinosaur? Shh. I want a dinosaur. Okay, ask mommy. I want a dinosaur. Guys, we're opening this. That's a collection. Right here's the one we're getting. The ice cream. I've never had one of these before. I don't know if it takes batteries or not. I hope it doesn't. Okay.
Yeah?
Kill the bull.
Oh, cool. Okay. Okay, they gave mommy money back for that, I think.
Wait, this thing does take batteries, but we can still play with it. Because if we put batteries inside, then... What battery? They're easy pop too. Wait, let me try it. Nope. Everybody else busy. Well, then go get shorts. What? Go get shorts. Oh.
Okay, we got money back for...
Wait, cool. Okay, so guys.
For that thing.
For this?
Yeah, we got the money back for that.
Yeah, I like this one so much. It's satisfying. So guys, you just have to press this. And then back. Press. And then back.
We got the dog paw. The dog paw refunded, and all those little toys in that box refunded.
What little toys?
All the Hello Kitty little toys.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
This is so much fun to play with. Look, I've never had one of these. This is why I'm so happy. Look. You have to press this. It's so satisfying.
It is.
It's easy pop, which makes it satisfying. So I can just put it back in here like this.
Oh my god.
One of these glittery cat balls.
What's that? Let me see.
This is glittery cat ball.
Okay, we got the money back for that too.
I want to feel it. I've never felt one of these. Okay, well, keep looking. I'm about to feel it outside this bag. I've never felt one of these outside their bags or anything. I haven't even felt one in the bag. This is sticky. This is sticky and fun. Okay, we'll keep looking. He will get it. No, you will get. You get it. Mom, he will get it. These are so sticky, you guys. What sticky? This. Ooh. Squishy. Wow. It's got glitter. Mom, go get inside.
What?
Get it.
Go get what?
Sure. These are always staying inside their bags because.
Marla, go put Buddy in shorts.
No, I'm in the video, so I can't.
You can pause it, dude.
Can't.
Buddy, go get pants.
No, no pants. Sure.
Well, go get them.
These are so sticky. Joke. Guys, Mr. Sharky's over there. Say hi, Chalky. Yep, Mr. Sharky's definitely over there. These smell weird. Oh my. This is so sticky. Can you tell, Mom? Look. Wow.
Come on. Come on, mosquito.
Put in the bag. It's more unsticky inside the bag. Inside the bag it looks like slime, but it's not slime. It's just squishy. Wow. Okay, can't put it back in the bag, right? See, no. I'm just gonna put it back in roughly, kind of. Put it back in the bag a way that is possible to. We've only opened 2, and it's been 7.5 minutes. And these are so fun to play with. Okay, next one. What car?
Yeah, you can open
Wait, what car? Oh, that
that.
was cat. Right there. You excited? Boy, one song. Sticky. Nobody, you can't touch the sticky ones because you might make a mess with them. We don't want that. No. Too many to do. Say hi, guys. Hi, guys. Hey, pushy. Okay, our next squishy that we're doing is this one. Ricky, look. We're going to do this one. What's that? It's another squishy. A sticky? Yeah, it's sticky. Can I try? Can I try, boy? Yeah, you can. Look, Mama. This is the most unstickiest out of all of them. That's why I'm letting Ricky touch him. It feels so good. Wow, Mom, look at how. Show guys. Look, it's. Show guys, blink. Look, pin.
Good job.
It came in a random color, so I didn't know what I was gonna get, and I got pink.
Mom, look at Sticky. So very sticky. Look, Mom, look at it.
Okay, let's put this back in. Open some more, right, Boink?
Yeah.
Wait. Yeah, sticky.
Oh, you did. We made boss. What?
Rick, what are you doing?
Boss. Look at that.
Okay, we can do the box next. Ricky, move.
Okay. Here. Go get a boss.
It's time, and Ricky that picks them.
Mom, look at boss. Okay.
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 How do we
Oi,
get this
what
out
is
of
that,
the
boy?
tape?
That toy?
There it is now.
What is that? It's a toy?
These are ones that I was.
It's a toy, boy?
I'm crazy, but yeah, I already opened that one, Ricky.
Yeah.
Hey, it says 3+, and you're 3.5.
Oh, we tried it!
Wait,
Wait.
I took it down 4.
What's that, boy?
Okay, no, but the box is last because the box is kind of stuck right now.
Wait.
The scenario box is kind of stuck right now. Well, until I can get it. Okay, nobody, no touching. Okay, you can touch the things that I opened. I'm excited to feel
What's
these
that?
cute.
I see that. I want border.
You want the burger? I picked the boba. Look at this, mommy. Look, it's a boba. Look
Oh,
at
you
it.
got these?
Yeah, these.
They're free, right?
Look,
Yeah.
look,
Show guys.
guys, look.
They're axolotls. They're slow rising
Look, Mom,
too.
that
Watch.
pushy.
Yeah.
I'd call
Wow.
that a rise, but like I would
So
also slow rising
cute.
was like I can feel air coming out.
Wait,
I'm
what
gonna
is
skip
that?
the burger now. The burger was
What
my
is
favorite
that,
one.
boy?
It's an ice cream axolotl. It's an ice cream.
Wow, can I try? Mom, look at ice cream.
This is a cake.
Oh,
Wow.
Mom, look at the cake.
cool.
Look, ice cream truck. Wait, let me eat the cake.
Okay, don't actually bite it.
Okay.
Our last one in here is a popsicle. Popsicle.
I go ice cream. Here you go.
Let's squish all of them at once.
Okay. Oh,
Do you want to try it?
Yeah.
Show guys you doing it. Okay, let's put them back.
Okay.
Now,
No border.
and now we're moving on to the next one.
Okay. Wow, what is that?
Okay, guys, this is another sticky, squishy
Oh, it's sticky.
cat paw.
I want these. Can I try? It's sticky.
Sure. And I just literally said that he can't
Oh,
touch these,
look,
but now
it's sticky.
I changed my
Mom,
mind.
look at it. Look.
Hey, Bad Chalky.
Hey, Chop! Go get him. Go get him.
I can't.
Okay, you get it.
Hey!
Yuck!
Yeah,
Okay, as if it looked like it paused. It
Wait,
did.
what's sticky?
For some reason. Okay, yeah, let's do it now.
Wow.
It's like tie-dyed Easter vibes.
Okay.
It's like tie-dyed Easter vibes is what I'm gonna say about this. Ah, it's so sticky. It wouldn't even.
Let me
Wait,
try it.
no.
that's pretty cool.
Look at it. It's so cool.
Wait, let me
I mean, you
try.
could, like, throw it at the wall.
I know, but I don't really want
Let
to get
me
it
try.
dirty. It's cute.
Yeah, you know how dirty
Wait,
it
won't try.
No,
Hey, those
Ricky.
are the ones that, like,
Wait.
they put the snow stuff over, isn't it?
Yeah, they didn't do this time. I was
Okay,
wondering
my turn.
why.
My
Wait,
turn.
buddy, I want to show guys the back, which is the Easter vibe part.
I'm gonna show guys.
I have to call it guys and Ricky
Wait,
in front of Ricky. It's literally so sticky, Ricky. You need to feel this. Oh my goodness, some gel came off.
Look, guys. Hand. Look, Mom, look at cat.
Wait, I'm gonna pretend to be a cat.
It's Katie. Look.
Hey, no! Give it to me. No more of this.
Hey, it's mine. No, it's mine.
Nope.
It's mine. I want to play it.
No! Okay, get out of the video.
No.
Okay, well, don't touch it.
Okay. Wow. Dig is sticky. I like sticky.
Oh my goodness. It looks like slime in the bag once again.
Boy, look at that, my car.
What's on my car?
See, right here, car.
I don't think that's your
Core.
Hey, Ricky, stop.
Oh, I'm sorry. I got you. Look, Mom, that's sticky.
It's so sticky. It looks like slime.
Yes, sticky slime.
I think they should put fur over this stuff.
More. Hello Kitty.
Right, this is Hello Kitty's paw.
Wait.
No. We're opening this one next. This is a cat. This is a cat.
What is that, boy?
It's a cat.
It's cat? Cat's all cat? Mom, look at the kitty. Oh, it's kitty. Cat's all kitty.
Wait. I know this is also sticky. I can tell.
What is that?
They smell weird.
It's
Wait, actually, it's not as sticky as I expected. It's not as sticky as Big Paws. The cat is so adorable.
Wow, so how is cat? So
Yeah.
cute. Mom, look at the cat. Yeah.
It's a pink one. I chose the pink one instead of the different colors because pink's my favorite color.
Wow, so cat. Wait, look at cheek.
Yeah, okay.
Hi, kitty.
Okay, we'll put this back.
Okay.
These are always staying in their bags because they're sticky.
Sticky. Sticky, boy.
Sticky.
Big oyster.
Be careful.
Mom, calm down.
Okay, this is a bear. This is
What?
a bear.
What is that?
This is a bear Thomas squishy.
That's sticky.
Yeah, it's another sticky one.
Mom, look at sticky. It's too bad, sticky.
I think it's the sticky one. Oh my god.
Boy, can I try?
Guys, look at this.
Can I try, bear?
Wait.
Mom, look at bear.
The bear.
Yeah,
bear.
bear.
It has pom-poms at least. Right, Mom?
That taco. Mom, it's whiskey ball.
Wait, why does
Look,
the thing
that's
come?
whiskey.
Oh, it's so sticky that this thing sticks to it, but it came off because it's so hard to get
Mom, look at
out of the
ball.
bag.
So cute.
Look at these
Boy,
little
look at ball.
balls. I could take this off by one too.
Boy, look at
Pretty
that.
easy to take
Oh,
off.
Mom, look at ball. So cute.
I thought that was gonna stay there. I didn't really like it on there because it was a hard part, and I only like the squeeze.
Yeah.
Did you just tell mommy?
No. More cow, more
Okay,
gas.
guys, looked like it paused again. It did. It did.
You're gonna go to the store with
Which store?
Aldi.
Aldi's. We haven't been there for a while.
What are we?
I'm gonna slap this on my face.
What? Oh, it's sticky.
Yeah. Ricky, come here.
What?
Wait, buddy, turn around. Turn around. No, turn around all the way until guys can see your back. Turn around. Turn. Turn around, boy. Turn around. What? Turn around, boy. Nobody. Turn around so guys can see back. Now turn around. Turn around. Okay, you're not doing the video anymore.
Oh,
Okay, well turn around now.
Turn down.
Turn around. Okay, you're not doing the video.
No.
Well, come here.
Okay.
Turn around. No. Do this.
Okay.
Nope. Just there. Mom, look what I did to Ricky's back. Look.
Give me that.
Bear.
I stick the bear on his back.
Boys, bear, down.
Whoa, this thing is sticky. Yep, put your knee down. Oh my goodness. Wait, I just folded it. Now it's just this, like this. Other side. It's so hard to.
What you put in?
Here.
Okay, thanks.
I think we made it to the next
Oh.
one right now. This is
It's
kind of
so
like a
cute.
mystery. Okay, this
What?
one up. This one we put up.
Yes! Pull it up. Boy, look at ball. So cute. Wait, it's gone. I'm gone. My gone kitty. No bear. Mom, the bear, please. Wait, my teeth. What is that? What is that?
This is
What
like mystery.
What is that, boy? Let me try. What is that? Is this
It's a panda.
It's a sticky?
Yeah, it's another sticky one. We know that. Boy, why does this feel so weird?
It's still warm.
It's so sticky. Guys, this is so hard to get out of his bag.
Mom, it's so gals.
Ah.
Oh, you got it?
Yeah, I got it. Why is this so sticky?
Sticky.
Stickier than the bear, and the bear. Yeah, buddy, do this.
Okay.
Buddy, no taking it off. Okay, keep it there.
Mom, look at me. There.
Silly.
I'm playing with the squishy under his chest.
Let me try. Mom, want this?
Okay, where's that? Okay, you want to watch dance?
Yeah.
Here you go.
Face. What's sticky?
Tell guys how you like it.
Look, it's sticky. Ew. So sticky. Mom, look at sticky. Look, sticky. Look, it's very sticky. Look. Look at it. Oh, so cute. Wait, what is that?
Reek, put that back on. I like that bamboo on him.
I saw him.
Oh, gimme.
Wait, let me try.
No.
Please.
We're done with this one.
Okay.
It's sticky.
Let's go. Put the box.
You want to do the box? Okay, that's what I'm trying to get out.
Boy, what's Swimmo?
Yes, cinnamon roll, Kuromi,
Oh,
Melody.
let's try it, girl. Mom, look at Swimmo.
Freak. Stop. Don't touch it.
Wait, go swim more.
Okay. Hold on. Let me put this.
Mom, will you swim more?
This is so sticky. I don't like how sticky it
Yes,
is.
sticky.
That's the only thing I don't like about it. It's so sticky.
Yes,
I can't even get it back in its own bag.
Mom, so sticky.
Ew, he looks
Mom,
creepy when I put him in his
turn
bag.
Oh, this.
Guess he can sit like that.
Mom, can you turn down?
This is hard to get out.
Oh, turn.
Okay, next is this
Wow!
Scenery box.
Kid is gone. Look, kid is
Okay, so
gone.
there's like a line at the top.
It's gone. Wait, kid is gone.
Kitty Rockin' Ball. Yeah. Why is the trace? Oh. Ricky, don't touch it. Guys, look at the rainbow Hello Kitty.
Oh, whoa.
That's two. That's a lot of eggs. This is so
Look, you open up.
many bags.
Open up.
Guys, this is
So
32
cute.
bags.
Mom,
That's
look.
why I was like,
Mom, look. Mom, look. Look, you open up.
first eraser is my melody.
Look, you open up. Swim hole. What's that?
Let's see if he guessed right, if it's cinnamon roll or not.
Where's swim hole?
If it's cinnamon roll,
Yeah.
then what is this?
Oh,
What is this?
Let's open swim hole.
You think that one's cinnamon roll?
Wait a minute.
You got it right. It's
Swim
cinnamon
hole!
roll.
Yay! Mom, look at swim hole!
We have so many bags to
Look!
open right now.
Wow!
you
Whoa! Look at it! Wow!
guys.
Wait, let's go. Hot dog over
I
here.
got another.
Wait, can you open up hot dog?
Stop, okay? Don't touch.
One count.
It's a red version of my melody.
One count. Some.
Oh my goodness. There's.
One count down.
Wait, Ricky, where's cinnamon roll? Oh, there he is. Yeah, we can open that one.
Hey! Guys, what's the gun?
Oh no, I gotta duplicate my melody.
Oh! What's a dog? Dog is there. What's dog?
What
My
about
sorry.
I got it? No.
Oh, dog. Oh.
Oh, you want pom pom?
Yeah,
We
pom
still have
pom.
a lot of bags to go.
You guys go pom pom.
On a triplicate?
No. Pom pom.
That's not pom pom. That's my melody.
Mommy?
No, we got a duplicate cinnamon roll here.
Mommy? What pom pom? Boy, which you want?
We got. Wait, why does pom pom
Oh,
board?
Pom pom.
Oh, this is the What is this?
Pom pom.
It's pom pom board, but why does he have a 4-leaf clover and he has a green hat?
Boys, go open a pom pom.
Okay, this is not exactly.
It's
Wait.
kitty?
I think I'm missing a part.
No. That pom pom.
Yeah, that's pom pom board.
No paper.
Be quiet.
Pom pom. I want that pom pom. Please. Pom pom.
Okay, this is not a duplicate Hello Kitty.
Why
They're just opposite Hello Kitties. Oh, there's so many bags. I can just feel all the bags.
Yes, me too.
Oh, hey, don't move.
Mom, look. Pom pom. Pom 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 pom.
Oh, you think that one's Pom Pom or the original one?
Yes, Pom Pom.
Come on, a fourth kid?
No.
No way. I have so many my melodies right now. What is this? This is a weird character. I don't like it.
Hey, Hello Kitty. Hello Kitty. It's funny.
I have a little. I have a little much. I have 4 my melodies. I have 4 red my melodies. I have 4 redhead in my melodies.
Orgy, hell.
Mom, can you believe I have that many my melodies?
No.
I do.
Oh, I saw Pom Pom. We're Pom Pom.
Okay. You want? It's the original Pom Pom.
What?
Ricky guessed it.
Wait, I want Pom Pom. Please.
Wait.
I want Pom Pom.
He's also holding a 4-leaf clover, but it's brown. And his hat. He's original. Yay.
Well, Pom Pom.
Okay.
My dad.
Okay. Which one do you want next?
Hello Kitty.
That's already open. Yeah, let's just open this one. It's a duplicate original Pom Pom. But I like Pom Pom a lot. Okay, we're gonna do this one next.
No one what you want.
It's a duplicate. Mickey officer.
Big one.
Bruh. A triplicate of Seminoles.
Open up this right here.
Be quiet. A triplicate. Triplicate.
Not that back
There
there.
are so many bags I can't even.
It's a pop pom. Wow, so
What's this one?
very cool. Wow, wow,
It's that weird bunny again.
What bunny?
Okay, so it looks like we got a duplicate Hello Kitty. Hello, but the one I just opened and put down was Kuromi, so we do not have a duplicate for this one. There's so many bags, I don't even know how many duplicates.
Opponent.
Or triplicates, or fourplicates, or fifthiclates. I'm gonna get it. There's 32. A fourthlicate. Cinnamon. I do love cinnamon though.
I want
I'm
that.
not keeping all these cinnamons.
It's gone.
There's 2. I only want one of each.
Boy, can that?
Come on. What? Fourthlicate of the.
Pom pom.
There's so many bags, you guys.
What?
Don't even.
Ow! Ow! Go away, say.
Watch out.
Must he try his name? No. But wait,
Let's see.
Mom,
It's Black Kuromi.
Wait,
Give it. Now we have a purple one and a black one. They're not duplicates.
No, it's mine. It's mine.
No.
No, I need a video.
Duplicate pink head.
Oh,
My
what
melodies.
video?
What we call it. Wait. Pink headed by melodies. We have 2 of those now. Again, we were gonna. No.
No cabello. No toes. No bello.
Pink. Next. Duplicate. Blackhead. Kuromi.
Hi, this is Lydia Pranger. I believe I missed your call. Hello. Yes.
Okay, guys, if we click it paused once again, it did. Yes. I hate this bunny.
Okay.
Dude. What's this? Come on,
Mom,
another
Dad,
pink.
Okay. All right. So they would have.
Okay.
All right. And then in the meantime, I was working with someone trying
we
to.
got this.
So my direct manager said that I haven't been able to do some of my paid time
Mom.
off, which I have like, I don't know, 80-ish hours of. But it won't let me submit any time because it says that on leave.
Okay, guys, let's do this one.
No. No.
Another blackhead. We have so many
Oh,
Sumerian
yeah,
characters
yeah,
right there.
Yeah.
It's a pile of Santa Maria.
Okay, what do you want? You want dance? What do you want? You have to be clear. You want dance?
No.
Oh.
Picky official.
You want that?
Let's
that?
see.
Yeah.
Alright.
Come on. So any more bags? So we can't miss the bags. If we miss the bags, there's this one. Ricky, I'm sorry. We can get in the video now.
Yes, and I did talk to somebody who said that they
I
messaged,
hate this
my manager, but I just haven't heard anything back on like if I should submit the time or if they did it.
so bad. I hate it. So we got it on. Oh no, one
Yes,
more.
I've been texting my manager.
One more bag. One more bag.
Direct manager.
Oh,
But I talked to another
it's
person
another
in HR who said that
purple-headed
my manager, I guess,
Caribbean.
and they were submitting it. So I didn't
Guys, we
know
got
where
two
we were
more.
at because my manager
We're gonna
was
do this watermelon
coming back
star,
until 5.
and then after we'll do pom pom pudding.
Until 5. So he said he would log in at 5.
My God.
Yeah.
Okay. Now I just got the watermelon star. Look.
Yeah.
It's another one that you're gonna touch again.
Oh. Handsome. A watermelon.
Okay. Let's take it
no,
out.
someone in HR
It's
was
so
saying
sticky.
something
Yeah, it's
about
sticky.
trying to submit
There's
that.
actually that seasoning on it this time, but it's not. Yeah.
But I guess they
It's
needed
only
the
in one
approval from
spot.
my direct manager.
I would want it in all spots. I think these seedlings are
So I did
for
not
the watermelon seeds for what's in watermelon. Whoa. Yeah, I think that's what it is. Okay, you want to touch it? Okay. Well, he does that. We're gonna do this.
No, I
the
was
last
speaking with
day.
them earlier, and I guess they left. They left today around noon. They were coming back at 4 or at 5. No, the manager now is Steve. It was Norris when I left. When I left on leave, and now
I
since
like
I have
his
left,
star.
it is changed to Steve.
What is that, boy?
ELO.
It's a watermelon star squishy.
Watermelon
So we
star?
have Papa Boy.
Is it watermelon a star, boy?
We have to open him out of his net.
These stars?
Yeah. So that was pretty
yes,
easy.
so,
Yeah, star.
They were going to put the
Wow,
occasional
so
absence.
amazing.
There was 40 hours of that available.
There's one at Andy
Sorry,
so, but it's
Mom,
not as
Mom,
slow as
They
this
were 40
one.
hours approved,
Star.
and anything remaining,
Look, Mom.
the vacation
Star.
time would be used.
Wow, sticky.
I love it. My bud Papa Boy. So I know it was
I just didn't
sold
know if it
out,
was in
so
the
like
headset, like
I couldn't.
I'm not sure what I need to do.
Sweet,
Really.
smile.
Last
It's
I
funny.
talked to someone, they were trying to reach out to them to try to get that
Cool.
approved. I didn't know if there was any
Cool.
more news or anything else that I should do.
Okay, don't do that anymore. Okay, put it back.
No, it's
I like touching the seal.
watermelon.
Oh, don't stick it on your face. So this pumpkin boy, so cute.
Is it watermelon? A star, girl.
And
Watermelon
this,
star.
this was such good fun. But anyways, guys, that's the end of the video.
Boy.
Bye, guys.
Yes.